Hey there folks, welcome back to another important update that could change your life. You busted your tail serving our country, putting in the hard work and dedication that makes us all proud. Now, it's time for your country to return the favor. We owe you a debt of gratitude and it's time to start paying it back. You deserve a comfortable and safe home where you can relax and enjoy time with your loved ones. Did you know there's a VA grant that can help you with that? It's designed specifically to assist veterans like you. I'm talking about a cool 30 grand to adapt your home to your needs. You earned it through your service and sacrifice. This ain't some government secret, but a lot of veterans are in the dark about it. It's time to shed some light on this incredible opportunity. It's called the Special Housing Adaptation, SHA Grant. This grant is specifically designed to help veterans with service-connected disabilities. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. Imagine the peace of mind and comfort you'll have in a home that's perfectly suited to your needs. Whether you need a wheelchair ramp, a roll-in shower, or wider doorways, this grant can make it happen. It's all about making your home more accessible and livable. This grant can cover a wide range of modifications from small changes to major renovations. The goal is to ensure that your home meets your specific needs and allows you to live independently. To get started, you'll need to apply through the VA. The process is straightforward, and there are people ready to help you every step of the way. You'll need to provide some documentation, but don't worry, the VA has resources to guide you through it. It's all about making sure you get the support you deserve. Once approved, you'll receive the funds to start making those much-needed changes to your home. It's a straightforward process designed to get you the help you need as quickly as possible. So, don't wait. If you or someone you know could benefit from the Special Housing Adaptation Grant, reach out to the VA today. It's time to make your home a place where you can truly thrive. For more information, visit the VA website or call their helpline. Your new adapted home is just a few steps away. Thank you for your service, and let's get you the home you deserve. The SHA Grant is all about giving veterans more independence. It's about making your house a home, a place where you can move around freely and safely. We're talking about modifications that make your life easier, whether you're dealing with a service-related injury or just the wear and tear of a life well lived. This isn't just about bricks and mortar, it's about restoring dignity and improving quality of life. Imagine getting around your house without a second thought, enjoying a hot shower without assistance, or simply feeling safe and secure in your own space. So, what exactly does this grant cover? Well, we're talking about a wide range of home modifications. Need a wheelchair ramp to access your front door? No problem. How about a roll-in shower or grab bars in the bathroom? The SHA Grant has you covered. We're also talking about widening doorways for easier access, modifying kitchens for wheelchair users, and installing non-slip flooring to prevent falls. It's about customizing your home to fit your unique needs and making everyday life a little bit easier. This grant isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. It's designed to help veterans with a wide range of disabilities. If you're a veteran with a service-connected disability that limits your mobility, you might be eligible. We're talking about veterans with blindness or low vision, severe burns, respiratory illnesses, or those who use wheelchairs or prosthetics. If your service has impacted your ability to live comfortably in your home, the SHA Grant can help you regain your independence. Section 5. Are you eligible? Finding out is easy. Now, you're probably wondering if you qualify for this grant. The good news is that eligibility is pretty straightforward. First, you need to be a veteran with a service-connected disability. That's a no-brainer. Second, your disability needs to be rated by the VA as service-connected. Finally, the modifications you're requesting must be deemed medically necessary by a VA medical professional. Don't let the paperwork scare you. The VA is there to help you navigate the process. Section 6. Applying for the SHA Grant, a step-by-step guide. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully apply for the Specially Adapted Housing, SHA, Grant. Applying for the SHA Grant might seem daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. With a little preparation and the right resources, you can navigate the application process with ease. Let's break it down into manageable steps. First things first, you'll need to gather your DD-214, which are your discharge papers. This document is crucial as it verifies your military service and discharge status. Make sure you have a clear, legible copy. In addition to your discharge papers, you'll also need any medical documentation related to your service-connected disability. This includes medical records, doctor's notes, and any other relevant documents that detail your condition and its impact on your daily life. Next, you'll want to download VA Form 26-1017, which is the application form for the SHA Grant. You can find this form on the official VA website. Take your time to read through the instructions carefully before you start filling it out. This form is essential as it collects all the necessary information the VA needs to process your application. Make sure to print it out if you prefer to fill it out by hand, or you can complete it digitally if that's more convenient for you. Fill it out completely and accurately. Double-check all the information you provide to avoid any delays in the processing of your application. Incomplete or incorrect information can result in your application being returned or denied. If you have any questions or need assistance while filling out the form, don't hesitate to reach out to your local VA office. They have advisors who can help clarify any doubts and guide you through the process. You can also call the VA hotline for support. Once you've completed the application, send it to the VA office address listed on the form. Make sure to use a reliable mailing service and consider getting a tracking number to ensure your application reaches its destination safely. After submission, keep an eye on your mail and email for any follow-up communication from the VA. After submitting your application, the VA will review your documents and may contact you for additional information or clarification. Be prompt in your responses to avoid any delays. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation letter detailing the next steps. With the SHA Grant, you'll be able to make necessary adaptations to your home, ensuring it meets your needs and enhances your quality of life. Congratulations on taking this important step towards a more accessible living environment. Section 7. Success Stories, Lives Changed, One Home at a Time. In this section, we delve into the real-life impact of the SHA Grant on veterans and their families. These are not just numbers or statistics. These are real people whose lives have been profoundly changed for the better. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to the stories of those who have experienced this transformation firsthand. There are countless veterans out there whose lives have been transformed by the SHA Grant. Each story is unique, yet they all share a common thread of resilience, hope, and renewal. I remember meeting a veteran named John who lost both legs in an IED explosion. His story is one of incredible courage and determination. He was confined to a wheelchair and struggled to get around his own home. The daily challenges he faced were overwhelming, from navigating narrow doorways to accessing basic facilities. Thanks to the SHA Grant, John was able to install a wheelchair ramp, widen his doorways, and make other essential modifications. These changes were not just about convenience, they were about restoring his ability to live independently. He also remodeled his bathroom to be fully accessible, which made a world of difference in his daily life. Simple tasks that once seemed impossible became manageable again. It gave him back his independence and his dignity. John could once again move freely around his home, without the constant struggle and frustration he had previously endured. John's story is just one of many. There are numerous veterans who have faced similar challenges and have found hope and freedom through the SHA Grant. The SHA Grant has helped countless veterans regain their freedom and live with dignity. These grants are more than just financial assistance. They are lifelines that provide veterans with the means to reclaim their lives and their sense of self-worth. Each home modified, each ramp installed, and each doorway widened is a step towards a better, more inclusive future for our veterans. Their stories remind us of the profound impact that support and compassion can have on individuals and their families. Section 8, Don't Miss Out. The SHA Grant can transform your life. The SHA Grant is more than just a financial handout. It's a lifeline for veterans who have sacrificed so much for our country. It's about giving you the freedom to live comfortably and safely in your own home. It's about restoring your independence and improving your quality of life. Don't let pride or a lack of awareness keep you from accessing this life-changing benefit. You've earned it, and you deserve it. Section 9. Take action. Your path to a more accessible home starts now. If you think you might be eligible for the SHA Grant, don't wait another minute. Head over to the VA website or contact your local VA office to learn more. They're there to help you navigate the process and answer any questions you might have. Remember, you've served our country with honor. Now, it's time to let your country serve you. Take that first step towards a more accessible and comfortable life. You won't regret it.